Marian Rivera imbatahan sa isang event sa Superbad Century Tuna at isa ito sa naging grado sa finals night na may tema Best Ever You sa Marriott Ballroom, Pasig City.
Happening right now on Showbiz Balita.
Nagtrending online ang primetime queen na si Marian Rivera bilang isang jurado sa isang event na Q&A portion ng Century Tuna Superbuds 2024. Napanaban si Marian Rivera sa Inglesan sa Century Tuna Superbuds 2024.
I'll try my best. Are you ready for this? Woo! Listen very carefully.
Na tila, hindi naintindihan ng isang contestant ang naging Tagalog na tanong ng actress.
Could I get English, please?
Your judge is Marian Rivera Dantes. Hi.
Hello.
Good evening to you.
Good evening.
So here's my question. Dumami ang followers mo sa social media nung naging finalist ka. Paano mo gagamitin ang opportunity na ito kahit natapos na ang competition na to?
I'm sorry. Could I get English, please?
I will try my best. Are you ready for this? Woo! Listen very carefully. Here's my question. Your social media following grew when you become a finalist. How would you use this opportunity even after your super bad journey? I think you understand that.
Ang quick reaction ng trending ka kagabi dahil sa sa Q&A mo dun sa Century Tuna, reaction lang, grabe. Nag-uusapan ka online.
Di ko alam. Basta,
She did her best.
I did my best.